Stop by and take a look at the 2013 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, rear view camera, leather upholstery, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.